Hi there, this is my super fast guide to ice dyeing, and I'm going to do the kaleidoscope pattern on an old sheet, which I'll then use as a tablecloth. Remember, the higher the percentage of cotton, the better the dye will take. So you need some powder dyes, you need some gloves because it's very, very messy, you need a mask, something for the dye to drip into. I'm actually using a colander as well to fit it into, and don't forget the ice. Here we go. So fold it in half, and then fold in one of the ends on a diagonal until you have a dart shape, and the repeat on the other side. I'm using a napkin to demonstrate this bit because it's easier to film, by the way. You then want to roll it in on itself until you have a circle. Now put it inside the colander on top of the drip tray and add ice to the top of it until it's completely covered. Then make sure you're wearing a mask because we're using powder dyes here, and you just want to put lots of striking colours in different sections. Keep going until you can see it's completely covered. And then leave for up to 24 hours for the ice to melt and the dye to take on the fabric. Have a look at this, so cool. Remember to rinse in cold water. I tell you what, my cat was certainly very impressed.